Well, that was definitely an interesting debate last night. I'm sure I'll talk about this in another video today, but what I want to talk about is how we were all actually a little fooled to begin this market cycle. Now, this isn't, a detriment to SHIB or a knock against SHIB or anything like that, but unfortunately, we had some incorrect assumptions getting into the early part of the market cycle. We obviously saw Shiba Inu go on a nice explosion, did a 4.5x in a very short period of time, and we've been consolidating for several months. I saw a couple people say, "Oh, you've been saying SHIB's ready to pop for months now," and yeah, that's true. The market has been ready to pop, but the thing is our incorrect assumption was that some of this capital acceleration was going to happen earlier. We were going to see some of this, money from outside the space hit the space earlier because of institutional money pushing Bitcoin to new all-time highs before the halving, because of this spike of retail we saw way earlier than we normally see it. And really what this was just kind of a little outlier. All right. Yes, institutional money pushed things higher. We've kind of gone back down to where we're nestling in below the prior all-time highs, all right, below that 69K range. Right now, SHIB has been on this multi-month consolidation period, and we've been just, it seems like dropping and dropping and dropping. And, there have been moments where SHIB has been ready to pop. We've seen it start to work its way up, get ready to pop, and then get rejected because of the overall crypto market. And really, what we haven't seen is this continuation of capital flowing into the space. All right. A big indication of that is look at what the market cap of all crypto has been doing. It's been in a multi-month consolidation period. There's not this new fresh capital hitting the space. Now, I will say this. There is a lot of capital that is in fact being positioned. You look at what since mid-March, the market cap of USDT has done. It's climbed from $103 billion to $112 billion. So we've actually seen some capital basically flowing into stables. There's a lot of money just basically sitting on the sidelines, not doing anything right now. They've done a lot of printing. There's been new capital entering that way, but it's not really hitting the overall crypto market. I hope that makes sense. So these incorrect assumptions have kind of annoyed people, right? And I get it, right? You guys need to remember that I'm a SHIB holder. I'm an ADA holder. I have tons of assets in this space. I'm an investor just like you guys. And yes, I would love things to run up and to the right, but I also understand that we need to let these cycles play out. The normal process of things looks like what we're going to be following. That little blip, that outlier we experienced in March, kind of maybe gave us some unrealistic expectations when it came to SHIB. We thought it would just continue to run and explode and new capital would just keep flowing in. Not yet. We're not at that point yet, but we are now getting very close to this, right? We're on the doorstep of alt season. SHIB is kind of flattening out here, showing very good support around our 50 and 100 week moving averages. There's a lot of things to like in the charts right now. And I keep talking about patience so much because I've seen these things happen before. I've seen periods of time where it seems like the charts just continue to fall and fall and fall, and you're not making much in terms of progress. And then things flip around very, very quickly. If you guys remember here, back in the bear market cycle, we went through this multi-year period where it seemed like SHIB could not basically escape from this 4012 range. We even had hard times at the end of breaking 4010. And all we needed was just 7 days. We needed 7 days to go on this huge explosion, 4.5x, and everybody was happy, right? Right now, although we've been on this multi-month period, some people may FUD themselves out. And then if SHIB goes on another, 4.5x or whatever in a short period of time, that's where it really hurts you. SHIB is an asset that can in fact move very quickly. And during this time, during SHIB's consolidation here, although price has been dropping, the amount of SHIB on exchanges has been dropping as well. We have seen heavy accumulation from large players. We have seen a lot of people accumulating for the long haul. And when prices start to get exciting, when things start moving again, that's where you're going to see the impact from that liquidity being removed. Hopefully that makes sense. But I just wanted to clear up that we had an not unrealistic expectation. We just had an incorrect understanding. We were fooled a little bit because of this outlier. But now we've seen this is just a normal market cycle. I'm still expecting blow off tops. I still think that mass adoption is hitting. We're working our way into that from a percentage adoption standpoint, but we just have to let things play out. So I just want to share that with everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.